welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be doing, if you all can guess, another wash and go. Yes, another wash and go. Anyway, this time we are going to be doing a one product only wash and go, and I don't know if I used this product on my channel before. So anyway, if you guys are interested in this cute wash and go, it's so light and fluffy. Oh my goodness, if you guys are interested, stay tuned to the remainder of the video. But you already know what I'm about to say. Stop right now, put on your post notification bells, and subscribe. Y'all won't regret it. And let's just get right into the video. Today's video is going to be a one product only wash and go, and I'm going to introduce that product to you guys. I've actually been using this product for years. I have not did one this year at all using this product because I just been trying to try new products because I know how this one is going to work and how it's going to turn out. Anyway, let me just show it to you guys. It is the BodyWorks Curl Defying Cream. This product is amazing. Number one, it gives great hold. Number two, you can use this product alone and still feel moisturized and hydrated. And I say one product because this is the only product I'm going to be using besides doing my LOC. You all know, can I do my hair without doing the LOC, y'all? So I'm going to be applying a spray leave-in, a oil, and then I'm going to top it off with this. No cream, just this. And this is kind of going to be like my cream, but it's my styler as well. I am absorbing most of the moisture out of my hair because I don't need my hair extremely wet when applying this product. Like I said, I've tried it already. I'm going to share with you guys because I get amazing results. Fingers crossed that I don't jinx myself and it turns out horrible, but it's going to turn out amazing. I know it is because I've used it before. All right, y'all, so we are going to remove this microfiber towel. I've only had the towel on for about 5 minutes, to be very honest. So I didn't take all the water out completely, but I did take some of it out. You all, I'm just gonna say this. My hair feels amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Like, it feels so light, so fluffy, so clean, y'all. Like, let me tell y'all what I did before we jump into this video because I'm amazed at how my hair feels. Anyway, so I washed and conditioned my hair with the Suave's Natural products. If you all have not seen or heard of those products, where y'all been? But anyway, it's the Suave Naturals product, shampoo and conditioner. Then let me tell y'all what I did next. I used the Garnier. Is it Garnier? I think it's Garnier. The Garnier 3-minute deep conditioner. Let me go get it so I can show y'all. I'm glad I went to go get it because I'm lying. It's not Garnier. It's the Aussie 3-minute moist deep conditioner with avocado and Australian jojoba oil. You all, my hair. What I did was I actually left it on for like 6 hours today. I'm not even lying. Like, I left it in my hair for like 6 hours and I literally just rinsed it out. But you all, I'm oh my God, y'all. Like, my hair feels amazing. Amazing. It smells good. It feels good. Oh. Anyway, let's get into the video, y'all. So, like always, I split my hair down the middle. I need to stop doing that. But I feel like this is what works for me. Now, I didn't do my LOC first, so we're going to do it as we go along because I'm being lazy. Anyway, so the leave-in that I'm going to be using is the Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Detangling Conditioner Leave-In Conditioner. This one right here. Let me shake it because I don't think I did. Anyway, I'm going to spray it to the section. Then I'm going to go in with some of this Curls Blueberry Bliss Repair the Hair Oil. Boom, boom, boom. What I am going to do is transfer it to this bottle because I want some on the scalp and not just the strands. So I'm going to put a little bit. I'm not going to use castor oil today, which I'm really known for. Like, I use castor oil for everything. I could mix a little bit in here, but that's not what I'm going for today. I want it to feel very lightweight. So I'm going to take a little bit of this, put it in my hands. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Then I'm going to take a little bit, put it on the scalp. Boom. Touch it in. Now, I do have my 3-row comb and my detangling brush. If you all not familiar with those are these two right here, my three. Now, we're gonna be using a generous amount of this product, but let me show you all the consistency of this product. So I'm gonna take this super thick, y'all. Like, this is the product. Look, can y'all see it? Hopefully y'all can see it from over there, but it's quite thick. So I'm gonna take about that much, and we are going to apply it on this section. Now, if I feel like I need to add water, I will. So I do have my mist bottle right here with me, which I don't know, because I don't want to overdo it. So I might moisten this section a little bit. And I'm gonna just mainly use my fingers to rake the product in. I'm heavy-handed with my product, y'all, but this product, a little bit does go a long way. I know that because I've experienced it before. Anyway, a little bit goes a long way. I believe if you use too much, you might experience a little flaking. But it's so moisturizing, like so moisturizing. And that's pretty much it. Can y'all see that? Trying to make sure I get those roots. They're gonna be puffy anyway, because my hair is just thick. Okay, y'all see that? Y'all see the definition? Y'all see the definition? Y'all, so I have completed the entire head. Now I am about to release the clips and shake the hair and let it air dry. Following day, and this is how the wash and go turned out. It is so light, it is so fluffy, it is so bouncy. It feels like I have nothing on my head. Like, you guys, if you all have not tried this product, which I'll show you guys again, is this one right here. Now, it's the BodyWorks Natural Curl Defying Cream. You get 16 fluoride ounces, I think, for like $9. I'll leave a link for it in the description bar down below. But it says the coconut shea. It says coconut shea natural curl defying cream is a humidity resistant formulation designed to refine and separate curls and waves. This product infuses moisture to straighten hair, provides frizz control, and optimizes style definition. You can apply this on wet or dry hair. So you guys, go ahead and copy y'all some. I'm sorry y'all, I'm hot and I'm rushing, so I gotta get out the door to go to church. But this is how the hair look, and I'm gonna give you guys a 360. What I am going to do is take this scarf off so we can lay these edges, and I'm gonna get out the door. Put that down. This is how the hair looking. Now, I got these little clips, and I'm thinking about putting some like right here at the top. This is the finishing result. I'm gonna add a little bit more oil to the hair. Smells so freaking good. And this is it, you guys. I thought about spraying some purple on it. What you guys think? Should I spray a little purple on it? Should I? I think so. Just to the front. Just to the front. So if you guys are wondering, this is a Salon Graphics High Beams Intense Temporary Spray On Color in the shade Violet. Oh, I'm sorry, in the shade Punky Purple. This is how it looks. Hopefully you guys can see that. And I picked this up at my local beauty supply store for about $3 or $4. And yeah, this is it, guys. We're gonna stop the video here, and yeah, so if you guys enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, please share, please comment, please subscribe, and put on your post notification bell so you all are notified every time I do an upload. And until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.